Welcome friends, today's topic is batching and batching process for concrete. So let's get started. Here's the question. What do you understand by batching and batching process for concrete production? The answer is this is the picture of batching plant. Batching and batching process for concrete. The measurements of ingredients in predefined proportions for making concrete is known as batching. Batching is the process in which the quantity or proportions of materials like cement, aggregates, water, etc. are measured on the basis of either weight or volume to prepare the concrete mix. Proper batching improves the workability of concrete by reducing the segregation or bleeding in concrete. Batching process for concrete are two types. Number one is volume batching and number two is weight batching. Volume batching. In this method, ingredients of concrete are batched by volume. It is not a good method. In volume batching, materials are measured on the basis of volume. It is less precise method of batching. Weight of the volume of dry sand is more than the same volume of the moist sand. The amount of solid granular material in a cubic meter is an indefinite quantity. So, as concrete materials are measured by weight, cement is always measured by weight, it is never measured in volume. The volume of one bag of cement is taken as 35 liters. Volumetric batching of concrete is done by using measurement box, locally known as firmas or gauge boxes. This is the picture of firma or gauge box. It's a hollow pit. This is the picture of firma or gauge box with aggregates in it. Gauge box are used for measuring the fine and coarse aggregates. The volume of gauge box is made equal to the volume of one bag of cement. Concrete ingredients like fine aggregates, sand, coarse aggregates, kapchi are measured by firmas or gauge boxes. Water may be measured in kilogram or liters as convenient. The quantity of water required is a product of 1 kg per liter. The quantity of water required is a product of water cement ratio and the weight of concrete. If the water cement ratio is zero point 0.6. Then quantity of mixing water required per bag of cement is 0.6 into 50 is equal to 30 kg or 30 liters. There are two types of methods in volume batching. First is random volumetric batching of concrete. Second is proper volumetric batching of concrete. Random volumetric batching of concrete, devoid of any control over the size and shape of the applied containers, causing major disturbances and deviations numbers. This method is completely unscientific, unsophisticated, and should not be recommended even for a small project. Proper volumetric batching of concrete. Volume batching of concrete is accomplished with the use of a measurement box locally named Ferma or gauge box. Concrete components such as aggregates, kapchi plus sand and cement are calculated with Fermas or gauge boxes. During batching, proper precaution must be taken to ensure that the form of gauge box is excessively filled. To calculate the amount of water, a water meter should be used. When there is a certain amount of water cans are uses. Random volumetric batching of concrete. Its example is mortar pan. And another is proper volumetric batching of concrete. Its example is measuring box. Weight batching. It is the correct method of measuring the materials. Weight batching system facilitates simplicity, flexibility, and accuracy. For important concrete structures, weight batching system should be adopted. Different types of weight batchers are available. Large weight batching plants have automatic weighing equipment. In small works, the weighing arrangement consists of two weighing buckets. Each bucket is connected through a system of levers to spring loaded dials which indicate the load. Simple platform weighing machines also can be used for small jobs. On large work sites, the weighing bucket type of weighing equipments are used. Automatic batching plants are also available. This type of plant is suitable for the production of ready mix concrete RMC. So dear friends, this is all about batching and batching process for concrete. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist related to construction and building materials in my channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction and building materials related videos first. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.